Greetings, thanks for joining me. My little ballerina had nutcracker rehearsals and she needed a little black leotard with an attached skirt. Very simple. And I found it on Amazon.com. Girls skirted camisole leotard in black. This is how it arrived in this bag, which unzips. Oh, I wanted to show you on the bag. Right here it says, "You are the super dancing queen," in case you didn't know that already. It came with this little heart tag on it. It's crisscrossed in the back, plain on the front, and it has this cute attached skirt. Throw it on your little ballerina and run to dance class. So simple. I had put it back in the packaging just so you could see how it arrives, but I've actually washed it already many times in cold water on gentle, and then I just hang it to dry. Let's talk about sizing. That is a size 8'10". Yes, she's very tall. Size 8'10" at 6 years old. She weighs approximately 55 pounds. The size 8'10" was a really good fit. Here comes the little ballerina. If you have a little ballerina at home, I hope you found this helpful. Take care. See you next time. Bye.